Mama?
Claire, you find anything?
Seven wishes. My bad. I wish Darcy Chapman would just go rot. I can wish for anything. Money.
Get in! What is happening right now?
Love. Did that just happen?
There have been others who've had the box. They and everyone they loved all died. When the music ends, the blood price is paid. It's a demon.
What does it want?
Your soul.
I wish.
You can't control it. It's controlling you.
I didn't know that any of this would happen. What's wrong with you? It's your fault.
I wish.
Hey, Vale here. Now, a lot of effort goes into making a movie, and The Exorcist behind the scenes fact goes to show it. William Friedkin had a shotgun with blank shells that he'd shoot off on the soundstage during breaks. It scared the daylights out of everybody, and after a few times he was asked to stop. The actors didn't find it funny. What they didn't know was that their reactions were being filmed and later inserted into the movie as their reaction when Regan made a sound upstairs. Okay, so if you want to watch more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you receive the videos the moment they are online. See you next time.